again, and this unboxing is something I haven't done in quite a while. This is actually a Curlbox unboxing. Now, it's not this standard subscription. I ordered a particular box that's just for the summer. So, let me get it out real quick before my camera dies. And let's see what I got, because I actually forgot, you guys. When I got the email saying that my Curlbox is on its way to you, I promise you, I was like, what did I order? Because I had been trying to get the monthly subscription with sales out immediately. As soon as you sign up for their email list, and just to be on the waiting list, as soon as they tell you that that basically the line is open, like it's time to order, you got to get on it, and you got to get on it quickly. So anyway, this is what I ordered. I ordered the summer break box. Look at that picture. Gorgeous, y'all, ain't it? Yes. So anyway, it says to tell a curl friend, and if you've seen my previous Curlbox unboxings in the past, you'll know I always tell you about Curlbox. I even did, I think, a blog post about it, just talking about different natural hair subscription boxes. I think it's a great way to try new products at a reasonable price. So this particular line of products, they're all from one line, is from Tropical Isle Living Jamaican Strong Roots. Now you guys, I'm working on these crazy edges of mine, these struggling edges, these thin edges, these no edges of mine. So I need all the help that I can get, and that's why I ordered this box. Now remember, so this particular item I just showed you is the Red Pimento Edge Primer. Now you may think edge primer, because I'm thinking edge primer. Gently work onto edges before using edge control and gels. Now this is good because with the way, you know, edges, people have different reasons for their edges coming out. Either they're, you know, either it's past damage, or they're not covering their hair at night, wearing styles that are way too tight on their roots, jeans, hormones, you know, stuff like that. We need to be super careful, at least try. And God, y'all, I've been trying, but my issue is hormones and jeans. So as soon as I open this up, I can smell it, and it smells strong. It smells kind of spicy to me. It looks dry looking at it, but then when I rub my hand on it, I can see that there's actual oil. I'm ready for this. Anything to help moisturize my edges, any and everything that I can try, besides all the things I've already tried in my almost 5 years of being natural, and even prior to that. It's a constant fight for me, but you know, you can never give up. So moving on, the next item here is a Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner with a fusion of shea, red pimento, and rosemary. If you guys have read anything about rosemary or heard about rosemary, rosemary helps stimulate the hair follicles. It promotes growth. So this is a nice mix of items here, along with castor oil, as we all know. Moisturizes and detangles hair to improve manageability and shine. Next item I have here is the Jamaican Strong Roots Red Pimento Moisture Mist. Yes, hydrates and moisturizes. All I see is moisture, moisture, moisture. And by the way, just taking a quick look at the ingredients, I am very pleased with the ingredients I am seeing here. Next item I have here is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo with a fusion of shea, red pimento, and rosemary. Happy about that. Very happy about that. And last item I have here, they did go ahead and put in a little baggie. Thank you very much for doing that, Curlbox. This is the Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. That sounds like music to my ears, y'all. And this is Jamaican Black Castor Oil, extra virgin coconut oil, wheat germ oil, lemon oil, lavender oil, and pimento oil. Nothing but oils. No fillers. very pleased. So you can see why I ordered this box. And this box was, I believe, $20. So every so often, Curlbox has extra boxes, or you know, something they'll come up with for whatever season, and they'll put it out. So if you want to get in line for the next announcement of a Curlbox opening for just the standard monthly Curlbox, you can get at $20 a month, $5 for shipping, or for any of the additional boxes, make sure you go to curlbox.com. Make sure you do that, get on the list. When they send you that email saying it's time, get on it to have your chance. So thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, and I will talk to you roses later. Bye.